Hi everyone, this is Allie, and recently I did a shop exchange with A Pile of Ashes, and I just really loved her stuff, especially this little spring girl. I was really drawn to her, and so I'm just really excited to show you what I picked up from her shop, because I'm really excited to get started and dig in. She's got some really fun stuff for Bible journaling and planning, and just really great stickers. So I want to show you what I got, and what I'm planning on doing some of it. So this, I love her, and I love how she put my name on it. She's gonna go write my Bible, honestly, and I just gotta find a verse perfect for her. So these are some of the things I picked up for Bible journaling. I love the grace, and so I'm really excited to kind of use this. I love the stickers, and they just feel just nice quality. All the florals, I just love them. And then once I saw that there was Harry Potter stuff, and I'm a Hufflepuff, loud and proud, I had to pick up some of this stuff, and I'm going to do a Hufflepuff week in my planner. Let's move this out of the way. So really excited for all the Hufflepuff stuff that she sent me. Really fun. So that'll make a really great week in the planner. And then just planner bits. I love habit trackers because I get lost on everything when I'm planning. So habit trackers, gorgeous. They match the florals. I think these kits kind of go together. I'm a sucker for weekend banners. And then I also picked up some clear stickers. I think these are the Fruit of the Spirit ones. So I'm going to do some different layouts in my Bible, just based on the fruits of the Spirit. So I'm really excited to get started on these. And then, one more. And then this kit. More of the florals. I love the florals and the crosses, so I'm really excited to use this kit in my planner as well. So that is everything I got from A Pile of Ashes, and I'm just so excited to get started, and I will share these layouts as I do them, both in my Bible and in my planner. So I will leave all the links below, so be sure to check out A Pile of Ashes.